Hello YouTube, this is Runningpokemans. Today I'll be opening up 3 Plasma Storm booster packs. I just want to make this video to kind of say happy holidays, since it is around Christmas time and all that, New Year's, and a whole bunch of other holidays going on around this time. So let's go ahead and open up these Plasma Storm packs. Let's go Lugia, Articuno, and Lugia. So I am going to make a search for the Professor Juniper Full Art series with Plasma Freeze pretty soon, so I will make sure to check that out soon, because that should be one of the next videos I will post, probably. Ooh, Hypnotoxic Toxic Laser. This is a pretty valuable card, if I can talk now. Maracas, Elegum, Zubat, Tirvana, Tetra, Trubbish, Togepi, Reverse Cling, and a Buffon regular rare. That's probably the only thing I don't really like about the Plasma sets, because the Team Plasma Pokemon cards just have that blue outline. I always think it's EX or something that always just messes with me so much. Okay, so with Team Plasma Grunt, Golbat, Eviolite, Answer, Purloin, Litwick, Turtwig, Riolu, Reverse Scraggy, and Explode regular rare. It's nothing too good yet. Okay, last pack of Plasma Storm. Hoping for something good out of this, just because I do not get anything out of the other 2 booster packs. Okay, so we got Watchog, Garantula, Trubbish, Magnemite, Fanti, Turtwig, Coughing, Ralts, Reverse Golbats. See something? Ooh, is that a full art? Full art? Ooh, full art Colress. Ooh, that is awesome. Let's get a sleeve for it real quick. I know this card's kind of is worth something. That is awesome. Okay, so let's go and do a quick recap. So all we got was this Colress Full Art and this Hypnotoxic Laser. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to me, check the links below in the description, and I'll see you guys soon with another YouTube video.